What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have this rodent repellent. From what it looks like, it looked like it might be like something that you can just put on the ground or, put on the corner of your house. It says garage, attic, barn, RV, and yeah. So here goes the back. You can kind of read it right there. I don't think I will edit this, so take all this information down. All right, I might edit it anyway. So let's go ahead and open this. I have gloves on, so I don't exactly know how this stuff is yet. It says directions for use: take out pouches from the place one pouch along each wall of the room, one per cab or per RV, and then 3, replace when smell diminishes. So stuff might smell strong. I should have put a mask on. Let's see. Oh, I hope this is not like that Bondi stuff. That Bondi stuff was strong. Oh, it smelled like mint. Okay, so it says take one package. Okay, so you have to rip this out. So this is how it comes. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the squirrel test, you guys. Y'all know what the squirrel test. Don't take my test as like it won't work test. You know what I mean? I'm just doing a squirrel test just to see how strong repellents do work. Now, usually repellents work when you have like stray cats or random squirrels just in the yard and stuff like that. I am actually doing squirrel tests when they are tested to their ability, like when they're really hungry. When the squirrels are really hungry, I'm using nuts, you guys. So as you know, squirrels will do anything for food. But some tests we did, it did repel the squirrels. So those are really strong repellents. So this one might be a strong repellent as well. So I am going to go ahead, get some nuts. I might put this over top of the nuts. I don't want them to eat this. It just says keep out of reach of children. So I don't want them to eat this packet. So what I'll do is I'll just under the nuts and see, or I'll put it around the nuts. So we will see. Let's see how this works. All right. Because I don't want them to think that this is nuts. Because if you look closely, look like a bag of nuts in there or crushed nuts. But we will see. All right. Other than that, let me go ahead and test this review out and see how it works. I will leave the GoPro out or the trail camera. So GoPro or the trail camera, one of them is going to be left out, and we will do several tests this week to see how this stuff turns out, and that will be it. So let's go ahead and have some fun. All right, you guys, so we have our little cup right here. It's actually a bonsai. I use it as a tester. We have our nuts. I got these nuts from Sam's Club. So nuts in Sam's Club and Costco are cheaper than getting like the nuts in Walmart. As far as like if you go into the bird feeder section and stuff like that. Just in case you want to know, I know there's some squirrel lovers out there that like feeding the squirrels. So if you want to get cheaper nuts, Sam's Club and Costco is probably the best place to go. I got these for like $5. So yeah, and they unsalted, so don't have to worry about that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place one of these underneath. All right, and then I'm going to place one like on each corner of this thing, like this. And these peanuts are strong. All right, so once again, this is a test of like seeing how good they repel when it comes to like hungry animals or hungry squirrels. So that's basically how this test's gonna go. I'll see y'all in the field. Okay, everyone, so I have the GoPro set up. I have the nuts right there. I did open up all the packets, including the one that I put inside of the nuts, or on the bottom of the nuts, and yeah, it smells very minty. And you guys don't take my channel too serious. We are having fun on this channel. Remember that we are testing repellent as well as we testing animals' hunger. So if you are very, very hungry, I'm pretty sure that you would do anything to get food. So just remember that little tip right there. But some of our repellent we reviewed on the channel did repel animals even when they was hungry. So yeah, so let's find out the results from this. Give me about a few days or so, and then I'll let y'all know how this stuff work. I am going to put some in my garage right there on the ground. That way we can repel so mice don't get in. Okay, you guys, so right now I have the trail camera activated, and if you look right behind my frog, you will see two eyes just popped up right now. Well, it looked like one eye, but there goes the mouse right there. Usually the mouse stay, I believe, under my shed. I'm not really truly sure, but I actually didn't think this test will pull out or pull off for the mouse right there. I actually did this test for the squirrels and raccoons. So it turns out that this stuff works for the mice. Okay. He tries to go for it, and my trail camera goes to like a 1 minute to 2 minute reset. So when you see him get real close, you'll see like a little glitch. That's because the trail camera had to reactivate, but the mouse didn't go to the nuts, as you can see, and it looked like he jumped right back behind the fence. And I believe he's trying to come back. There you go. He's trying to come back. He knows his nuts there, but as soon as he get there, he runs away. This stuff is amazing, you guys. Like, totally amazing. I cannot believe it. And he do this for like the next 6 to 7 minutes. So I'm not going to show y'all a whole 7 minutes of that. But yeah, that's about it. And last thing, this stuff do not repel. I believe it don't repel the raccoons. The raccoon knocked the trail camera down. You will see that in a little bit. But the next morning when I woke up, most of the nuts was gone. So it's either the raccoon, the squirrels, and when I woke up, I saw blue jays taking nuts as well. So there you go, and there goes the raccoon. So that will be it, you guys. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.